In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Steam games using your Cash App. The first thing you need to do is, of course, to log into your favorite Steam games. So basically, after login to your Steam games, all you need to do is to just go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you need to go ahead and register your Cash App or link your Cash App to your Steam account. And after that, you just go ahead and click any games that you wanted to download for example, this thing, Repo. After that, all you need to do is just go ahead and add this thing to your cart. After that, you just go ahead and view my cart. After that, you just go ahead and continue shopping, or you could just go ahead and continue the payment. After continue the payment, if you've successfully linked your Cash App app, it would choose here, or it would show here as an option for your payment method. And that's it. That's how you be able to buy Steam games using your Cash App.